there! In this video I will show you how I knit the centerpiece of the snowflake. We begin by casting on 6 stitches using a long tail cast on method. You're all probably familiar with this method. It's very easy. The reason why I prefer this one and not the disappearing loop method is because it creates a little eyelet in the center of the snowflake, which I like. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next thing we do is we distribute these 6 stitches onto 3 double pointed needles, 2 stitches per each needle. This is 1, 2, and the third's already on. This part is a little fiddly, but it's not really that bad, and you get used to it. So now we join to knit in the circle or to knit in the round, and our first row says you knit 1 stitch and you knit the front leg of the first stitch and slip the second stitch without the second leg without knitting. So knit the front leg of the stitch and just slip the second. We did 2 repeats. Now next one, knit the front, slip the back, knit the front and slip the back. Let's do it again. Knit the front, slip the back, knit the front, slip the back of the stitch. Now we have knitted all 6 stitches and doubled the number of stitches on our needles. The next round says we knit all stitches. So this round is easy. You just knit all stitches. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That was round 2. Round 3, the pattern says to knit the first stitch and make 2 yarn overs. 1, 2, then knit 1 more stitch. And that's 1 repeat of the pattern. So we're going to repeat that 5 more times. Knit the first stitch, 2 yarn overs, and knit 1 more stitch. These are 2 repeats. Next repeat, knit the first stitch, 2 yarn overs, knit 1, knit 1, 2 yarn overs, knit 1. 4 repeats completed. I'm sorry, I'm hitting my camera all the time here. 1, 2, and knit 1, and the last one, knit 1, 2 yarn overs, knit 1. That was round 3. Round 4, we knit the first stitch, then it says to knit the first yarn over and purl the second one over. So we knit the first yarn over, slip it off the stitch, and now the second one, bring the yarn to the front and purl. Knit the next stitch in the repeat. Let's repeat again. Knit 1, knit the first yarn over, purl the second yarn over, and knit 1. And we continue. knit 1, knit the first yarn over, purl the second yarn over, knit 1, knit 1, knit the first yarn over, purl the second yarn over, knit 1. We have 2 more repeats to go. Knit 1, knit the first yarn over, purl the second, knit 1, and the last one. Knit 1, knit the first yarn over, purl the second yarn over, knit 1. Now we have completed round 4, I believe. Round 5 says knit 2, 1, and here it sometimes looks a little weird, but you just need to spread it out a little bit. So knit 1, knit 2, knit 2, then make 2 yarn overs again, 1, 2, and knit 2 again, 1, 2. That's 1 repeat. Now let's do it again 5 more times. Knit 2, 1, 2, make 2 yarn overs, knit 2, 1, 2. You're kind of making the new yarn overs in the middle section where you had yarn overs before. Knit 2, yarn over, knit 2, knit 2, 1, 2, 1, 2 yarn overs, 1, 2. You always have 2 repeats of the pattern on each needle here. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, next is our last round of that middle part. Knit 2, 1, 2, knit the first yarn over just like we did before, and purl the second yarn over. Knit 2, knit 2, 1, 2, knit the first yarn over, purl the second one, knit 2, 1, 2. Let's repeat it again. Knit 2, knit the first yarn over, purl the second yarn over, knit 2, knit 2, knit the first yarn over, purl the second, knit 2. I believe we have 2 more repeats. So knit 2, 1, 2, knit the first yarn over, purl the second, knit 2, knit the first, knit 2, knit the first yarn over, purl the second, and knit 2. And here we are. We've completed the middle section of the snowflake. At this point, I suggest that you either put all the stitches on a piece of scrap yarn with a tapestry needle and a piece of scrap yarn, or what I prefer to do is put all of my stitches, transfer them onto a circular needle, and you just transfer all of your stitches, and you'll be able to use the circular needle to knit the points of your snowflake. But if you don't have a circular needle, it's not a problem. You can still use your double pointed needles, but the stitches that you're not working on will be on a piece of scrap yarn. The second one and the last one. All in all, you have 36 stitches on your needle right now. And here we are. This is the middle of our snowflake. In the next video, I will show you how we knit the points. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.